What's going on, guys? This is Nick with Teach All Tech, and today I worked as a traveling salesman. So for those who don't know, I've been trying to secure partnerships with assisted living and independent living senior communities, and I've been doing so previously through LinkedIn, through email, cold calling essentially, just a more modern day version of it. And today I put some boots on the ground and actually met with some facilities, and it was pretty surprising. So when you email someone or you send them LinkedIn messages, it kind of takes a little while. You're playing email tag, sending messages back and forth. But today I actually got to talk to real people, real decision makers, and it was a lot more exciting first off, but it was a lot better because I could ask them questions and see their response in real time. So one of the things I would always lead off with is, what kind of technology needs do your members have? Do a lot of them have computers? Do a lot of them have smartphones? Are they on Facebook? Do they shop online? Asking qualifying questions to try to figure out where can I add value to them, and also, do they even need me? And it was pretty interesting because some places, one end of the spectrum, only one person would have a computer. And I thought it would be a great opportunity for a one-on-one session. And of course I would give them my card and contact information for that one person. But if there isn't very many people who need help with technology, then it wouldn't make a lot of sense to host a class there. But on the other end, some places, a lot of people had smartphones. There was people who had iPhones and Android, different tablets, some even had laptops. So it was pretty good experience getting to see how different some of the different facilities are. And one of them, I won't say the name yet, we actually have dates on for a class that we're going to host in March. So it was pretty exciting getting to do this today. I really enjoy getting out and essentially being a traveling salesman for my company. I got to make some great contacts. I got a lot of information and really good feedback today as well. So I just wanted to give you guys sort of an update on what I'm doing over here. The tech world has been pretty sleepy lately, so there hasn't been any big announcements, nothing exciting to review, and no problems really with the iOS or even with Android. So just go ahead and keep watching our videos, keep sending in ideas about what you guys want to talk about, leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up, whatever you gotta do. But thanks for watching, and tune in next week.